Impressive.
Guys, good morning sa inyong lahat, sa mga lahat ng nanonood ng video namin sa 31 Shue Avenue. Ngayon po ay papunta kami. We're going to Kingsway Mall because we won in the raffle for Jordan 4, yung bagong release ng umaga. So when you check the Jordan 4 in all sites, they're all sold out. So good thing, nanalo po tayo ng raffle, and that's why we're going to Kingsway to pick up the shoes. Yan. So meron nakuha po tayong size 9 and size 10. And let's see kung makakuha po tayo ng iba pang size pagkadating natin sa mall. Pupunta po natin ng JD Store. Nanta silang laway ko. JD Store and Foot Locker, Champs. So check natin guys. Gang. Okay guys, we're here in Kingsway Mall. I'm going to pick up Jordan 4 White Thunder. Si muna sa JD Store. I got one pair of Jordan 4. Sige, balik.